Apple's AirPods have revolutionized the way we listen to audio. These wireless marvels offer a seamless and convenient listening experience. However, like any technology, AirPods can occasionally encounter hiccups. Encountering errors during setup or use can be incredibly frustrating. Troubleshooting these issues is crucial for a smooth and enjoyable audio experience. Whether it's an incomplete setup process or a mismatch between your AirPods, understanding the causes and solutions can save you time and frustration. By addressing these problems head-on, you can quickly get back to enjoying your favorite music, podcasts, and calls without interruption. Before diving into solutions, it's essential to understand the causes behind AirPods Setup Incomplete and AirPods Mismatch errors. An AirPods Setup Incomplete error typically arises from connectivity issues during the initial pairing process. This could be due to Bluetooth interference, low battery levels, or software glitches on your iPhone or iPad. On the other hand, an AirPods mismatch error occurs when your iPhone detects two AirPods that don't belong to the same pair. This situation might arise if you've accidentally mixed AirPods from different sets or if one of your AirPods has been replaced. Understanding the root cause of the error is crucial for applying the correct solution. If you encounter the dreaded AirPods Setup Incomplete error, don't panic. There are several troubleshooting steps you can follow to resolve the issue. Forget the AirPods in Bluetooth settings. Begin by ensuring that your AirPods are in their charging case and the lid is closed. On your iPhone or iPad, navigate to the Bluetooth settings and locate your AirPods. Tap on the eye icon next to them and choose Forget this device. This will remove any existing pairing information. Asterisk. Reset the AirPods. With your AirPods still in the case and the lid open, press and hold the setup button on the back of the case until the status light flashes amber and then white. This will reset your AirPods to their factory settings. Asterisk. Reconnect the AirPods. Now try reconnecting your AirPods by holding them close to your iPhone or iPad with the lid of the case open. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the setup process. Update iPhone software if necessary. In some cases, an outdated iOS version on your iPhone or iPad can cause connectivity issues. Check for any available software updates and install them to ensure seamless compatibility. Section 4. Addressing AirPods mismatch errors, a comprehensive approach. The AirPods mismatch error can be a bit trickier to resolve, but with a systematic approach, you can overcome it. First, verify the serial numbers. Start by checking the serial numbers of your AirPods. You can find these on the underside of each AirPod and on the charging case. Ensure that the serial numbers on both AirPods match. If they don't, it confirms that your AirPods are indeed from different sets. Next, reset and resync both AirPods. If you're certain that both AirPods belong to the same set, try resetting and resyncing them. Follow the same reset process outlined in the previous section for both AirPods individually. Once reset, try reconnecting them to your device. Also, update the firmware. Outdated firmware on your AirPods can sometimes lead to compatibility issues. Ensure that your AirPods are running the latest firmware by connecting them to your iPhone or iPad and checking for updates in the Bluetooth settings. Finally, contact Apple support if one AirPod is from a different set. If you've determined that one of your AirPods is from a different set, your best course of action is to contact Apple support for assistance. They can help you identify the correct AirPods and potentially replace the mismatched one. Section 5. Preventing future AirPods errors, proactive measures for seamless audio. While encountering AirPods errors can be frustrating, there are several proactive measures you can take to minimize the likelihood of these issues occurring in the future. First, keep firmware and software up to date. Regularly updating both the firmware on your AirPods and the software on your iPhone or iPad is crucial for maintaining optimal performance and compatibility. Next, avoid mixing AirPods from different sets. To prevent AirPods mismatch errors, always store your AirPods in their charging case when not in use. Avoid mixing AirPods from different sets. Lastly, handle AirPods and case carefully. AirPods are delicate devices, so it's important to handle them with care. Avoid dropping them or exposing them to extreme temperatures or moisture. Treat your AirPods and their charging case with care to prevent physical damage that could lead to errors.